Hi guys, welcome to learn Chinese in easy and funny way. I am Abdurrahman. Before start the lesson, I want to say if you want to support me, you can subscribe and you can inform your friends who are interested in learning English and Chinese. In addition to this, there is a card section here. You can click there and you will see five question with characters and their mean. I am asking their meaning and their tone, so you can answer that. And in this way, you can practice the tones. Okay, let's start the lesson. We in this section we have 6 questions and we will answer that. But first, we will write the characters tones as we always do. Okay, let's start. 你 third tone. 身体好吗? Ma doesn't have tone. Here, 你忙吗? 你忙吗? 今天你累吗？明天你来吗？你爸爸妈妈哥哥姐姐身体好吗？好吗？他们忙吗？他们忙吗？ Okay, let's for this question. First question is 你身体好吗？你身体好吗？ How's your health? But we ask this question who is ill or very old. Otherwise, when you ask your friend to say how are you, you can say 你好吗?你好吗 is enough. But if your friend is ill, you should use this question. So how can we answer this question? We can answer it as in simple way. We can say 我很好。我很好。But we have a rule here. If there is third tone, the middle tone becomes change the second tone. 我很好. I am very good. Okay, let's pass this question. And the second question is 你忙吗?你忙吗? Are you busy? 忙 means busy. And we can answer it in negative way. 我不忙。我不忙。我不忙。我不忙。忙。I am not busy. Okay, we can answer this question like this. 我不忙. That's the other question. 今天你累吗?今天你累吗? Today, 今天 today, you are tired. Are you tired today? 今天你累吗? Are you tired today? So we can say I am not very tired today. and we can say 今天我不太累，不太累。今天我不太累。What's this one? Becomes the second one. 今天我不太累，不太累，太累，不太累。Today I am not very tired. Today I am not very tired. Or I am not very tired today. Okay, let's press the other question. And 明天你来吗？明天你来吗？ Do you come tomorrow? Or will you come tomorrow? Because we have a time and it means the future. So we can translate it like this. Will you come tomorrow? 明天你来吗? Or we can say, I will come tomorrow. I will come tomorrow. So, 明天我来，我来。明天我来。Tomorrow I will come. 明天我来，来。Okay, tomorrow I will come. Let's pass this question. Another question is 你爸爸、妈妈、哥哥、姐姐 and blah blah blah. We can say 弟弟、妹妹。身体好吗？ It means your father, mother, and elder brother, elder sister. We can add younger brother, younger sister. Health good. Is their health good? So we can answer, and I will write here. How can we write DD? I will show it to you. It's DD. It's younger brother, and we have Mei Mei. Mei Mei, Didi, Mei Mei, Mei Mei, a younger sister, Didi, younger brother. And how can we answer this question? 你爸爸妈妈哥哥姐姐 and your father, mother, and elder brother, elder sister. So that there are many people, right? So we can say 他们都很好. Here we say 我很好. We can say here 他们都很好. 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 Become second term. 很好，他们都很好。They are all very good. They are all very good. Okay, we can answer this question like this in this way. And the last question is 他们忙吗? 他们忙吗? Are they busy? Are they busy? We can say 他们都很忙. They are all busy. 他们都很忙. 他们都很忙. They are all very busy. You can answer this question like this. Okay, guys. In this video, is there anything I didn't say? If you have any question, you can write on comment section. And as you see, we start to make a simple dialogues, and we can answer these simple questions now. And if you keep watching these videos, your Chinese will improve and improve, and you will see that. I hope the videos help you to improve your Chinese, guys. Thanks for watching. See you next video.